Good morning, everyone. This is Sunny. Welcome to another day on my channel. This is a Wednesday, and the markets are going up, and some of the stocks are going down. Like I said, some stocks go up, some stocks go down. Okay, so let's get busy. All right, this is our current positions right now. The trades that we did on Monday, I got that NCLH in. LUV went okay. We'll pick up an extra $142 coming up here Friday or Saturday morning when it's resolved. And again, an NCLH. Both of those are over the prices. Our strike prices of $32 and $14.50 right now. But you never know. By Friday, anything can change. Okay, ET up here. I did a little bit of work on it. I moved us into a 7 position on 5 of the shares. And left 15 in the 6.5 strike price. So our overall profits will be about $170 instead of breaking even. So we'll make a little bit of money off of this. I did this process to show you how you can keep getting premiums until you can get your money out, plus or break even, or come out with a profit. It might take you a little bit of time, and yes, this is about 1.5% return on the money that we have allocated for the stock. Okay, even though it took us 2 months, but remember, it'll take you a whole year if you did a CD. We did it in 2 months here. If everything gets called away next week, we'll have to wait and see. We might have another week with this. Okay, so we're looking good for the month here. We already covered, I believe, on Monday, our monthly report. Let's get on with the market, see what's going on. Okay, ET has fallen about 14 cents this morning. Interesting. All right. But it's still over 15 of our shares of the strike price of $6.50, so I'm not worried about it. And then Snap is the new stock that I've been looking at, and I'm thinking about pulling the trigger on this puppy here. Okay, we'll get back to it. 30 cents ago, a couple of minutes ago, was at $23. And I'd rather get it about $22. Okay, well, we'll see what the options look like on that. Love dropped down a little bit, no big deal. Remember, they have earnings on Thursday, so hopefully it doesn't go below our strike price of $32. If it does, we'll turn around and put another cover call on it for the next week. NCLH is still above our $14.50, even though it dropped a little bit. I'm not worried about it. Okay, and that's it. Okay, as you can see, the markets are up here just a little bit, a tad. And let's go over here and see what's going on in our accounts. Okay, our accounts are doing pretty good here. Let's look at what the balance is. As you can see, all of our positions I already showed you on the spreadsheet. We got 2 of these are going to expire this Friday, which are these 2 here, and we'll still be hanging on to our ET until next week. We got a little bit of money to play with, and let's see over here at our overall balance. Find out what our balance is. Right. All right, it says we got 32,858. Remember, this is a moving number because we're dealing with options. Okay, and it looks like we got about $7,000 to invest. All right. Now the stock that we're looking at is Snap. See how Snap is going back down again? Yeah. I want to get Snap at about $22. I don't know if I could do it. But let's go over here to the options on the research. You know, because the internet is so slow, let me get out of the finance chart. Maybe it'll have a quicker response. I don't know why my internet is so slow. Maybe somebody in the neighborhood is trying to upgrade their internet or something. All right, so it was Snap, S-N-A-P. Now, last night, Fast Money, they said a good entry price was $22 a share for Snap. It says if you want to get back into it, it's better to be around $22, which I'm in total agreement because of all the hype around the stock. Even though some folks only have like an $18 price tag on it, but others have like a $27. And as you know, tech is kind of hyped right now, so I don't know, in 2 days, can we make a profit off of this? Let's find out. Are we able to go deep in the money on this and get a profit? Okay, it would expire in 2 days. All right, the 22s right now are paying $145. I say about $145. You could probably get into it at $145 would put us at about $20. Now, if we went with the 2250. That'd be 70. That'd be $40. Times 3 would be 120. That'd get us another $120, but then we'd be on the hook if it dropped below 2250. Is it worth it to us? You know what? Let's take a gander at it. Let's say we go down 50 cents just because of all these other people are doing that. So what would a 2250 be? Okay, what we'd do is we'd get 300 shares. It would be 3 options. That'd be about $6,600. We would buy 300 shares. We would sell to open 3 contracts for this week only, which is 2 days from now, at the 22. Let's see what the 2250 looks like. All right, 105. Let's say 105. Subtract 105 off of here would be 22. 2211. Let's go with 2210 once. Now we could pull 110 bucks off of here. Let's go with 2208. It gives 126. Okay, let's preview this order right now. See if we can get into this puppy. Okay, so what we're doing is we're buying 300 shares of Snap. Sell to open 3 contracts. Okay, our estimated profit is about 126. Subtract our commission here, be about 124. All right, let's see if we can get this order done. Okay, folks. Okay, looks like our order was executed. Now, let's look at the market real quick. All right. Look like Snap wants to jump around a little bit. No big deal. We got $120 to play with anyways by Friday. So we'll see what happens on Friday on Snap. If it goes below the 2250, no big deal. We'll keep it for the next week, and we'll perform some more covered calls against it. ET is still staying, above the 650 for next week. Remember, it's at the end of next week. Loves, it's above our 32, so Loves definitely will get called away this Friday, unless something real bad comes out in the earnings on Thursday. Okay, now there's another part too I want to cover today. Is there's a correction in regards to that $2 million video that I sent out. Like I stated, it was more than $2 million. Let's go look at our 4% chart. This is our 5-year, 7-year, and pretty much our 10-year chart. Our 5-year, based on the video, I showed to you guys over $1 million we'll have in 5 years, based off of, receiving over 4% a month, which we're doing every month. And we even done it already for this month. Okay, let's add 2 more years onto it. Bonus year 6, that's 1.6 million. Okay, bonus year 7 is 2.5 million, not 2 million. I stand corrected. Okay, one of the guys, notified me on that. So it's 2.5 million, not $2 million, 2 years after we achieve $1 million. So we double our money plus some. And if we wanted to go 2 more years after that, because the next year would put you at the $4 million mark, the end of the next year after that, starting at the 10th year, you would have $6.5 million. 6.5 million, guys. This is crazy. This is like over this is over $200,000 a month coming in. Just think about what you could buy with $200,000 or even $100,000 here. Or $9,000, $7,000 a month. Even at the 1 million mark. $4,000 a month if you continue to get 4%. If you get 3%, it'd be $30,000 a month. Guys, I'm telling you, this is realistic. This could happen to you. All right? And all we put into it is for 2 years, we put money into this, and we make it grow every month. Just like we're doing now. We're going to be selling puts starting next month on this channel as well. In addition to the covered calls, we're going to be selling puts for income as well as these covered calls. and that's going to be a fun time. I got some puts lined up for next month. I called up Merrill Edge, and they said it starts in the first week or the second week of August. They'll have the computers all, all the software installed and everything. Okay, I appreciate you guys watching my channel here on Wednesday. Stay tuned for Friday's video. It's going to be exciting. We'll see if we're going to be able to hold some of these positions and do another covered call for the next week, or are we going to be taking profits on Saturday? Some more profits for us. All right, you guys take care of yourselves. Remember, give me a thumbs up. Squash the subscribe button so you can get the video firsthand, so you don't have to search for my videos. Okay, remember, we post Monday, Wednesday, and Friday out here unless I have VA appointments or unless I'm traveling. Okay, you guys take care out there and be safe, and see you all on Friday. All right, Sonny, I'm out.